Hey guys, so this is Big Brain, and basically, this is the geometry lesson number 1. So, yeah, this is the geometry textbook that we use, and this is lesson 1.1, and we're gonna get started. So, basically, this is just basics of geometry. We're gonna start, and then every Thursday, basically, we're gonna go and make a geometry, and that's the geometry course. So let's start by the first lesson, which is identifying points, lines, and planes. So as you can see here, we have the points A, B, C, D. So when you connect them, you have a shape, which is also can be described as a plane. So in a plane, you can have points, and you can also have points inside it or on the edge. And basically, a point can go infinitely outward, just like a line goes infinitely in both directions. So, we also see we have E, F, and G, right? We have those points. So those are points. Those are just points there. And if you go through them, basically with the line, an infinite line, not a line segment which is closed on both ends, or array which is just closed on one end, it's a line because that's what we use. So, as you can see, what we use to describe these is called collinear. What collinear means is that basically if you have any 3-point or any point, basically if you can connect them using a line, then so that would be considered as a line. So let's say we have these 3, right? We can't connect them with one line. So it's not collinear. But if we have these 3 lines, as you can see, points, then we can put a line through them easily. As you can see, that was not a perfect line, but yeah, just for the sake of the demonstration, I was showing that basically if it goes through all points, then it's collinear. So coplanar means that on a plane, points have to be on a plane, and they can't be collinear. So if it was like this, if those 3 points on this plane, which we can call plane M, just for example, then it wouldn't be a coplanar because it's just a line going through them, right? So if we're on plane M and we have these 3 points, then it would be, those are all coplanar. They're on this plane right here. So yeah, that's what the definition of collinear and coplanar is, if you ever seen it. So let's start by doing some of these questions. So it says name 3 points that are collinear. So right here we can see points. We have 2 lines right there, and we have the main plane R. So points that are collinear are S, P, and T. S, P, and T are all collinear because, as you can see, there's a straight line going through them. So now they're asking us to name 4 points that are coplanar. So it can't be collinear. So I would say we can still use SPT, but we need another one. And as you can see, you can get V in a straight line. You can get VFPT in a straight line, and it's all of them are on the plane. So VSPT or SPTV would be the 4 points that are coplanar on plane R. Yep. So now let's go on this one. So as you can see, we have a different plane here and different lines. So now it says name 3 collinear points. So as we can see, we have this X over here, and I'm just gonna choose. We have A, we have C, and we have B, right? So A, C, and B are collinear, as per the question says, because there's a straight line going through them, as I've said before. So yeah, A, C, and B, those are collinear points. So name 3 coplanar points. So coplanar, they can't be collinear. So our like points that could be acceptable are C, D, and G, as you can see. C, you have C, D, and G. They connect like that, and they're all on the plane, so it's acceptable. And they're not collinear because it makes the shape when they connect a triangle. So yeah, so basically this is just the basics of geometry. We're gonna get into more complicated stuff, but yeah, that's how you solve collinear and coplanar stuff. So these are try it yourself questions. I'm gonna give you some time to answer. If you want to pause the video right now, you can pause it, and then I'm gonna show you the answers and explain how I got them. Yeah, so if you still need more time, you can pause it. I mean, like, I'm pretty sure you already paused it because that was pretty quick. So yeah, if you need more time, all you can do is pause. So that these are the answers. So as we can see, coplanar points. We have E, we have A, and we have C. So they never said which plane. There's both plane R and there's plane S, right? We have the two planes right there. So I chose plane S for this example. So we have the E, A, and C. They're not collinear, and they're all on the plane. So yeah, they would be acceptable. But others would be acceptable too if you wrote like DAB, or yeah, those kind of other stuff. So just make sure that they can be collinear and they all have to be on the specified plane. Okay, so name a set of collinear points. So we have F, right? We have F, A, and we have J. We have FA and J. So those are all in a straight line. There's a straight line connecting them right there. So yeah, it's collinear because a line can go through all of them. Right, so they're collinear. And now it's asking our points A, B, and F. So we have A, we have B, and we have F. Right? Are they coplanar? No, because there's no plane there for them to be on. Like, they're on different planes. B is on plane S, A is like an intersection between them, and F is on plane R. So no, they would not be coplanar. So yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something new, and yeah, we're gonna post the geometry ones and other one geometry on Thursdays. And if you want, you can tune in for other topics if you need help with those, or if you just want to learn on other days. And yeah, so this is the Big Brain channel where we teach high school math. And yeah, be sure to take any math course you want here. We have like almost every single grade math here too. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed. Yeah, if you want to know more about geometry, you can come back next time. And yeah, with that, we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.